All right, so this is one of the properties. Hello, is anybody in here? Oh wow, they took everything. So, oh man, the door is open. Is anybody in here? Oh man, somebody broke in. They left a bag and everything. They tore out the... People arguing. This is one of the problems that you have renovating houses that's in the area that's bad. They tore it off. So, and what's crazy is they left a bag. They left a bag. They took the vanity sink, took the light fixtures. Nothing from in this room. They took everything. They took the plumbing. They took the countertops, the granite countertops. I was $2,000 countertops. They took the other vanity that was sitting right there. I'm not sure why, but that's ridiculous. They even, look at this. They even try to get the copper out of here, out the socket. This is crazy. Downstairs, let's check downstairs. They took all the switch plates out. I mean, just doing crazy stuff. I mean, this is ridiculous. They knocked the board out that window. They didn't take the breakers. It's a good thing. Oh man. So let's see exactly. I mean, look at that. This was a brand new kitchen. Everything was new. They just took everything. And this is one of the things you see in real estate. And I'm interested in what's in this bag. They left the bag. I'm gonna close the door real quick. Let me see. Oh wow, look at this. Oh my God, look at that. Some dagger, a knife. What else is in there? 2 drills. Wow. Look at that. That's what concerns me right there, y'all. And when you're doing these houses, I'm telling you, you have to be careful, because this could have been somebody in here waiting to shank me just because I'm walking into my own property. So he may have heard me coming and ran out the door. But guess what? I mean, if he'd have been right around the corner waiting on me to turn the corner, and this thing is sharp. Look at that blade. Wow. Wow, guys, this is beyond frightening, because I never just imagined something like this. But this is what comes in real estate. Make sure nobody's in this closet. But that's ridiculous, guys. Wow. I just want to show you guys that is mind blowing. I'm gonna wrap up this video, because that just blew my mind. I never would have thought somebody would have broke in and took everything up out of here. And also, I would never thought I would have found a bag with a shank, about a 6-inch knife. Wow. I'm gonna show you guys this again. I can't believe it. Look at that. I don't even want to touch it, because I don't even know what's on it. But that thing looks sharp to me. A hat, Walgreens bag, you never know. And I hate to say that, but when you see people that's homeless and you see people that's breaking in stuff, and walking around with bags like this. Maybe they have stuff like in there like this, you know, to hurt somebody. This is a very unfortunate, y'all. I came in last week. They said somebody was in here, and a few things were going, but it wasn't major. But they took the countertop and everything. I'm not sure what they're gonna do with the countertop because it's a custom countertop. Who knows? But it's things like this what gets me frustrated because not only is hard work, is money, is pride, and everything is inside of these houses that, you know, when you're doing them, you making sure that you want somebody to come in here in a livable, enjoy their livable space, their home. But once you start doing this, you get afraid of what people are going to experience when they get to the point where they buy things like this, buy houses in this area. And this area is being gentrified, but this is one of the things that in between the gentrification that you may have to experience in renovating or living here. Who knows? Somebody could have been living here and that situation happened. Somebody coming in with a 6-inch blade just ready to harm somebody, to take something that's really not even worth harming nobody. It's material things. The things that they took is just unreal. It's unreal. You took a countertop, a sink, a cabinet, and you had a knife for what? To take a countertop, to take a $1,500 countertop that you cannot resell or reinstall because it was custom. So guys, listen, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I am beyond, like, I just don't even know what to say. Like, it's ridiculous. So I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you guys understand that this renovation, this real estate is not, it's not just gravy. You run into things like this, and I wanted to show you guys exactly what they took out of here, but not finding that in that bag. That is crazy. But listen, I hope you learned something in this video. I hope you guys always protect yourself. Make sure you protect yourself, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.